Hi, my name is Bridget, and I am a physiotherapist with Proactive Pelvic Health. Today will be the first of a three-part series on strategies to help minimize pelvic floor pressure, which can be helpful for those with pelvic organ prolapse. Today, we are focusing on reducing pelvic floor pressure with lifting or exertion. So one way to do this would be to exhale prior to exertion or prior to lifting. As we inhale, there is an increase in intra-abdominal pressure, so there's more pressure within the abdomen. This acts on the pelvic floor, causing it to descend and lengthen. As we exhale, the pelvic floor comes back up and lifts. Exhaling prior to exertion can help relieve some of the pressure on the pelvic floor. This can help if lifting or exertion causes symptoms for you. We can further add to this by intentionally contracting the pelvic floor prior to lifting, or Kegling prior to lifting as well. So this also would provide even more support to the pelvic floor from below for